Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, almost weekend, one day to go. Yes, Thursday, January the 7th, 2021. We have only one regular Sudoku, and this Sudoku is a medium Sudoku. By the way, there are extra Sudokus in the additional eight of them. I will do four Sudokus of them. Yes, but first I will solve this baby Sudoku medium. Yes, this will be a number 2124. Yes, 2124. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I have already counted. This one has 26 printed digits. And that means this Sudoku should be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. I see here a 7 in this column, a 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for a 7 should be there. Then let me see. I cannot continue with the 7. How about the 4 in this column? A 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, so the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so in the last row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there, the only place for a 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4s in those two boxes. One box left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see, yes. First digit, the 4. All right. Let me see. Yes, the 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then in the middle column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, or there. We see another 7 there, so no 7 here. Here another 7, no 7 there. The only place for a 7 is should be there. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the middle column, only place for a 6 should be here. Then, alright. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, only place for a 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. There 3, no 3 in those two boxes. One box left for the 3. Should be here. Then. How about the 5 in the last row? 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, we see there 5, so no 5s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 2. Number 5, all right. How about, let me see. The 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 6 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 3. Yes. How about those 2 numbers? Yes. Figured out which numbers those are. Yes. 2 and the 9, of course. 2 and the 9 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. All right. So we have a 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for a 2 should be there. And well, we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Yes, figured out which numbers those are. Of course, it's the 9 and the 8, 9 and the 8, 9 and the 8. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9 are missing. 8 and the 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Those 2 numbers, I cannot fill this yet. In this big square, those numbers are the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 numbers. That means 1 digit left in the last column for the number 9. Yes, 9 is missing. Then. Let me see. Can we fill those 2 numbers, maybe? No. The 1 and the 2 are missing, but I cannot fill this yet. How about those 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. Then 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So, no, I cannot fill this yet. So those 2 boxes could be an 8. All right, let me mark those 2 boxes. The 8. How about the 2? Then 2, 2, 2, 2. No. 1, 2, and the 7. I need a 7 here. Here also a 7. All right. Let me think. 1, 2, 3 should be here. Yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And then, no. Yeah. The 1, 8, and the 2. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. Alright, so 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, so 1 and 8 are left here in the middle column. Let me mark those boxes. These 2 boxes, also 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Okay. So I need more with the 8s. 1 and a 2. Okay, the 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. How about those 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 8 and the 9. Still cannot fill this yet. These 2, 1 and the 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be an 8. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 8. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 in the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. The 3 and the 7 still cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and the 3. The 3 is missing in this column. Yes. 7, 3, and the 2 are missing. 7, 3, and the 2. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So the only place for the 3 should be there. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 3 in this row, column. 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 2. 1 box left in the second row for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be an 8 in this row. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 2. And the final 2 numbers. Can you figure it out? Which numbers those are? Yes. And 9 and 8 again. 9 and 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this Medium Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus in the future to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now. See you then.